So I got a request last night for a video on Right Rudder Piro Tictocs. So I thought I'd just go through a couple of exercises and then show the stick movements. So I would start with half piro flips like this, just to show that you have control. Model stops cleanly. You've got the stick movements. And it's nice and slow, controlled, doesn't move away. And that's the basis of Piro Tictocs. So you will need this. So the next maneuver I would do to make sure that I have control is I would do half piro rainbows. And this is a really nice exercise because it forces you to control the amount of collective that you use, so the distance that you travel each time. And it also slows the maneuver down, so you've got lots of time to see whether you're doing things correctly or not. I would then maybe do paused half piro rainbows. So this is where you go up, pause the rotation, and then you start again and you complete. Pause and then complete. And I love paused maneuvers like this because it shows that you can stop and start and you're not putting in the wrong inputs, because sometimes it's easy to do the timing and the stir, whereas a pause like this forces you to stop, reevaluate where you are, and then put in the correct stick movements. Really, really useful exercise. And then at this point, if you realize you don't quite have the stick movements down or the orientation, I would go on to something like the Piro Trainer. So the Piro Trainer allows you to slow things down really, really slowly and make sure that you're putting pure inputs in. So I'm doing these as paused at the moment, but you can do them as the full half piro flips. And that main shaft should be going over very cleanly. So the main shaft should be always vertical and hitting away from you. After you've got those, you want to go into paused half piro Tictocs or hesitation half piro Tictocs. So this is where you do one half piro, you pause it, you hold it, you make sure you've got control and the model isn't moving around. And this is actually pretty close. This is actually pretty close to being a Piro Tictocs. And then Piro Tictocs is the final step. So if these start going out of control and moving away, you go back to the paused half Piro Tictocs. So I've been told before that my Right Rudder Piro Tictocs aren't particularly pure. And if you have a look at the Cyclic, you'll actually see that I bias slightly, well, it's all the way to the left, but I'm biased slightly down. So it sort of feels like they're correct, and it's not a pure Piro Tictoc. I mean, I think that a pure Piro Tictoc Cyclic stick would be sort of in an up top right corner or the top left corner for Right Rudder. Not completely in that corner, but just a bias towards it. So in this Piro Tictoc, I'm trying to bias the Cyclic stick to the top. So you can see it stays a little bit more on the top of the Cyclic. It doesn't quite feel as easy to me, and it does have a tendency to wander off to the right, but it's just interesting playing with those sorts of things. So if you have any requests for maneuvers, I'll see if I can do them, break them down. Otherwise I'll find someone who can do them and we'll have a look. Until next time.